Hey everyone, Shaver 1000 here. This thing don't start. It doesn't want to start. That's all it does. So, I do have a starter for it. We're going to put a starter on it. These ones are pretty easy. You really don't have to take anything off except the starter. There's a bolt here, a bolt there, and you got a nut here, and I think that's it. Now it may need a starter solenoid, but I do know the starter is probably no good because the last time I had it running, I actually seen smoke coming out of the starter. So either way, that's not good. So let me go get the starter. Get a couple, get a socket and a wrench, and let's go ahead and take this starter off of it. Okay guys, I'll try not to get in your way too bad. This is it's your battery wire. You don't have to unhook the battery for this one because it's only live when you turn the key to start it. If you feel better unhooking your battery, by all means go ahead. This one I may have to charge it anyway because it's been a while since I've had this running. So, this is the Cub Cadet LT46 XT1 Enduro Series. This is the Kohler 7000 Series, 22 horsepower. So, hopefully in May, we have another little trip coming up. Monkey wants to take her mom and do something for her birthday and Mother's Day. Mother's Day is in May and her birthday is at the end of this month. So here's the starter. I mean, on the outside, you know, it looks great, but that doesn't mean it's, like I said, I might have to put a starter solenoid on it, but I know this starter was smoking, so got this thing, I think it was about 50 bucks. Okay. I can't remember if that's got to come off or not. I don't think so. Alright. Well, now find the hole. There it is. And like I said, I may have to put the booster on it. Monkey bought me a DeWalt booster here quite a while back, and I used it the other day on the boat. Well, before we took the boat out, I knew the battery was going to be dead, and started it up and it worked fine. That's the first time and only time I've used it. I lost it for a long time. It was real weird. Don't know where it was. Finally, one day I was out here in the garage getting something else, and it was right where I'd looked 100 times, and the weird thing was I didn't have it in the garage. So how it got where it was, we don't know. There we go. Now, hook our starter wire back up, and that's it, guys, for the starter. Yeah, she got me a DeWalt jump pack because I got tired of dragging that big charger around that has, you know, boost on it. And one day I went out back to start the old John Deere, wouldn't start. She said, let's just go get you one. I said, well, I'll get it online. It's like 140 bucks. She said, we'll get you one. I got me one. When it came in, I walked around back, all intentions on using it to start that John Deere, and don't you know, the John Deere fired right up. There you go. Alright, let me get you another view, and we'll see if this thing will start. Alright, let's see. Okay, so that's good, because the battery is a little low, so I am going to put it on the jumper, or the boost pack, and if it was the solenoid, it would have still done the same thing. It would have still, you know, just made that whistling sound. But since it went to crank over right there, I think the starter was the issue. As cheap as they are, I should have probably bought one. They're like 15 or 20 bucks and did both of them, but I just went ahead and just got the starter because I was pretty sure that's what it was when I seen smoke coming out of it. Last time I had it running, I was like, it'll go or blow. So it was smoking like crazy, and all at once it just started cranking and it fired, and that was the last time it started, and that was several months ago. But our grass, we've had a little rain, but our grass is not high, but as you can see, all these leaves and stuff coming down, we want to get those cut up. So let me go get my little jump starter thing. Okay guys, here's what she got me. Like I said, this has been half a year ago or better. So yeah, I went out to start the John Deere, and it fired right up. So I thought, I'll use it on this. This fired right up. Everything fired right up. So I was like, what the hell is going on? And comes with the charger. And it also has one of these. You can charge it with your car. But we're just gonna, here it is, this side here. It can only go one way, so you can't mix them up. That. And if you hook them up backwards, it's got a protector on it. It won't hurt anything if it shorts out or anything like that. See, it's green. It's ready to go. It's ready to boost. So, let me back you up here. And let's start it up. I will save the starter because the Bendix is still good on it. Alright, here we go. There you go, guys. Easy starter fix. Again, it's a Cub Cadet. It's the LG 46. That's 46-inch cut. It's 2 inches smaller than the John Deere. It's 48 inch, but it does fine. You don't notice it in a yard as small as this. It's the XT1. It's got the 22 horse Kohler 7000 series. Yeah, there's what it looks like if you need to know. Cut it off and try it again. Okay, so I'm going to have to charge this battery, but that's okay. Just fire it up one more time. And as you can see, you don't have to push any buttons on this thing. Just put it on. And the green light's lit. It's ready to go. Green light is lit. Let's hit it. A little bit of throttle. Alright, we'll choke it. It's not warmed up yet. There you go. So we got a how-to video and a quick review video. Alright guys, so I still got a spooky video coming up for you guys. I just haven't done it yet. So yeah, the house is pretty much done. Got the electric on, they got the sod down and everything. But so here in a couple weeks, the end of this month, got another camping video. We're gonna take the I wanted to go this weekend, but everything was everything was booked up, so I was going to take my niece on. So anyway, I got us 5 or 6 days reserved. Yeah, and then again in May, hopefully we'll take another little trip. So we'll be taking the newer Chevy for that one, because instead of changing oil on it, it's up on the ramps. So I'm going to change the oil, and she's going to drive it for a little bit while I put the air conditioner compressor in the black car and get the air conditioning working, because that's the reason we kept the black one, because we can use it, put miles and scratch it up, not the good one. So, well, they're both good, but you know what I mean. The old one, I guess. Alright guys, Shea Bear, the myth, the man, legend, gone for now. That's real easy. 2 bolts and a nut. The nut is 11 millimeter and the 2 bolts are 10 millimeter. That's all you need. And of course the starter, unless you want to take your old one off, try to clean it, file the brushes down, sometimes that works. But when I seen that smoke for 50 bucks, it's the original starter, I was like, let's just go ahead and we'll go ahead and put a new one on it. Alright guys, thanks for watching, appreciate it. Have a great weekend everyone, we'll see you soon. Bye bye and take care.